Hello mga kabisaya, this is Cara, the yacht stewardess in Singapore. For today's video, I prepare all the glasses because we're going to travel in Batam, Indonesia. As you can see, nakabox ang mga glasses because we don't have a big storage for that. So, I need to keep it if there's no trip or there's no event. Punas-punas na si Maninay. All the red wine glasses, the champagne glasses, and the water goblet. Okay, continue watching my video, guys. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Keep safe, everyone. Bye.